There's a lot of different ways to make custom stickers, but in recent years, Procreate has become the absolute frontrunner. It's really user-friendly, it's really intuitive, and it's the quickest and easiest way for you to literally do your artwork by hand and then send them in to get custom printed. In this video, we're going to go through the process of actually taking your designs out of Procreate and making them into custom stickers. It's really quick, it's really easy, and it's a great way to sell artwork, make logo stickers, thank you stickers, or really anything else. Let's take a look. So the first step is obviously actually making your design. Procreate is a really versatile tool, and they offer a wide variety of different brushes for you to use to get your design to look exactly how you want it to look. And this is obviously where it's really creative and open-ended, but we do have a few tips for designing for stickers specifically. You want to have a really clear silhouette or outline to your label and not have a bunch of abstract shapes that aren't going to print well together in one piece. So if you're combining different pieces of text or artwork into one design, try not to leave too much negative space and to keep your elements closer together so that they print as one cohesive sticker that doesn't feel too all over the place. And at some point in the design process, you'll want to add a white border to your stickers. Also, depending on the size of your sticker, you might want to adjust the complexity of the actual elements like the graphics and fonts that you're using. For example, if you're printing on a tiny little sticker, you don't want to use some super intricate medieval or handwritten font that's not going to be able to show up. But once your design is totally final, all you have to do is export as PNG. This is so your design has a transparent background and you can just add it to whatever design you need. Now that you have your design, just go to OnlineLabels.com, and this is where you have two options. The easiest option is to literally just submit your design to us, where we'll approve it, and then print it onto custom die-cut stickers in whichever size and material you need. Even when you're not printing yourself at home, there's a ton of customization options right here online, so that you can get yourself as many prints as you need. Once you submit your design and it's all approved, it usually just takes 2 to 3 business days, and then you'll have stickers that are ready to apply. We also have weatherproof materials if you're going to be shipping these or keeping them in any kind of harsh conditions that could also be useful. The other option is printing yourself at home. If you don't already have sticker paper, you can buy blank sticker paper at OnlineLabels.com. You just need to make sure you choose the right material for your inkjet or your laser printer, whichever one you're working with. From there, you can literally just print your sticker designs directly onto those sheets, whether they be matte or gloss, and then you just have to cut them out. You can do this with scissors or an X-Acto knife, but for business owners, a really good investment is an automatic cutting machine that comes with software that just lets you cut out all of your custom shapes so that you can relax a little bit while the machine gets the cuts perfectly right with no human error. This also gives you a little more customizability, and you can print as many stickers as you need and also preview samples. And in the age of AI now, hand-drawn illustrations, cartoons, and things like this are always going to pop out more to customers. So this is a really great and easy way to get creative and just make stickers for your own artwork, your friends, your business, or really anything else. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more labeling and business tips, and make sure to like if this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, just comment below. We'll see you next time.